Hello everyone, I'm ৎᶗΣᵗ, and welcome back to God of... You became a bear, man. Anyways, last time we fought Atreus, who was a bear. There's no other real way I can put that. We have Mimir here, my boy. And yeah, let's just continue on with the story.
This way.
This way, boy.
So, are we going to discuss the boy becoming a bear?
Yeah. Are we?
Not now. We need to repair the protection stave and get home.
What happened to the protection stave?
You did.
So you're blaming me?
I am not blaming you, Atreus.
Well, tell your voice that.
Yeah, Kratos, come on, man. Tell your voice that. Man, use square to command a companion attack. Alright, great.
Say the word, Father.
My God.
Incoming fire!
Nista!
Well done, boy.
So, lad, besides your gift of language and hearing creatures' thoughts, are there any other new magical abilities to report?
Not really.
What of Fenrir?
What about him?
When he died, you cast a spell.
No, I didn't.
But I saw light.
I don't know what you're talking about.
How
Trick of Fimbulwinter, perhaps? ʃᵗʳᵉᵃ.
how did you... Boy. Now that's interesting. I wonder if he can turn into anything else. Oh, it's so
What's
pretty.
with all the blood?
Yours, Atreus.
Seriously?
That, or any prey you might have been dragging, I suppose.
Not sure that makes me feel any better.
God, I'm already so entranced in this, man. It's so cool. Oh, it's a cutscene.
This one.
Asya.
So pretty, man. Another bear? I swear to God if it's another bear. Oh, come on, man. Really?
I didn't mean to.
Intent does not
Wow.
matter. Only consequences.
Oh, Atreus.
What can we do?
Pet bears. Pet bears, come on.
Nature will take its course.
Oh man, that's... Damn, dude. That sucks.
Storms are coming.
Isn't it cold enough?
We are almost home.
Nista! Above you, fire! Nista! Raiders on the left!
I like how the glory kills or finishing moves now they're different. Each one's a little different, unlike the 2018 game. That's so fun,
Wow. A lot of those guys.
It's been like this all night.
He must have been inside the stave when I fixed it.
dude. Holy crap. Run, boy, run.
Sometimes I really wish Tyr's temple still worked so we could get out of Midgard.
They say Fimbulwinter affects all realms, lad.
Okay, but how could things be any worse than here?
They can get worse. I can only imagine they can. Given that Thor and I think Odin's in this game. Yeah, things are gonna get a lot worse. Hello,
Hey,
doggies.
Svanna, you're not scared. You're a brave girl.
Man, why can't we pet him?
Good. Brave girl. That's right.
He's good with them. No surprise, really.
Yeah, if I'm remembering in actual Norse mythology, Loki actually had a
Becky,
kid that was
you
a
okay?
wolf, and apparently it ate
Just a
Odin
little
or something.
thunder. That's a good girl.
So I think they're actually
Good
adapting
girl.
that. I think they're adapting that idea, but he's just really good with animals, and I actually really like that. That's nice. As a fellow animal lover myself, I appreciate this. God, yeah, it is getting really stormy. Jesus.
Atreus!
I'm just checking on...
To bed!
Too bad. And from what I've seen in the trailers, those dogs get big, really big. So I guess we'll find out later.
As evenings go, that was entirely too eventful. Though I admit it was a bit like old times there, for a moment. The three of us navigating some hitherto unhappened upon patch of forest.
Been a while since you've joined us. If that's what you mean.
Ah, well, just tired, I suppose. You've seen one deer hunt, you've seen them all.
How can you feel tired when you never sleep?
There are other kinds of tired, lad. You'll see when you're older.
Fucking relatable. Mirmir's a goat, dude. Absolute goat.
Now have a proper rest, my brothers. Things are always brighter in the morning.
Oh, really? Oh, really? How much worse can this get? He actually closed his eyes this time. Nice.
What was that?
The ball!
Oh. Hurry up, here they come. Oh,
Who are you?
what is up, Thor, Odin's son?
Can I come in? I have meat. You would not find me good company. No. I'm sure we'll find lots to talk about.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's massive. Jesus. Thor.
Nice place.
He's so big. Holy shit. I think those are the same sound effects they use in the Marvel movies. He's not gonna... Oh.
You could have told me before I poured. Why are you here? Just, being polite.
Tyrone.
You seem like a calm and reasonable person. Are you? A calm and reasonable person.
If the moment calls for calm.
I'd say the moment calls for calm. Yeah.
Who the hell's... Who's here now? Oh wait, it's probably Odin. I think that's who it was in the trailers, if I'm remembering. Oh god. There he is! Oh, he looks cool. He's just a skinny...
You know who I am?
Yep. Skinny old man.
Back before winter set in, there were some misunderstandings. Regrettable ones. But I think we all have a better idea of who we're dealing with. Now, what you did to his boys. Self-defense. Dying is what we Aesir live for. And let's be honest, they were kinda useless.
Wow. Jesus.
But
really
Baldur, he had value. He was my best tracker, my closer. Yeah, his mind was gone, sure. But he had his uses, and now he's gone because of you. You follow me? You have a debt. You're no fun anymore.
What do you want?
How about peace? How does peace strike the esteemed, retired god of war? How about we just don't kill each other? How about you stay home, kick up your feet, seek no quarrel with me, and I'll have none with you. Of course, it means that that one has to stop his search for Tyr.
Yeah.
Atreus? Wait, Atreus has been looking for Tyr?
Stop it.
Tyr's old ways are dead. He is dead. You understand? And then that's it. Then we're square. Shit, I'll even sweeten the deal. I'll let you keep the prisoner that I know you stole. That's right. I know you're in here somewhere, you silver-tongued little shit.
Why should we believe a word of you? What have your promises ever been worth?
There he is, my old partner in crime.
He's lost weight.
If he tells you snow is white, he's lying.
What kind of wisdom is that? Can't the smartest head alive see past himself? See that we all want the same thing? All right. Here's a deal I know you can trust. I'll settle your debt with my ex. Keep Freya off your back. Keep your boy safe. It's really all you want, isn't it? So what do you say?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No.
No. Oh, shit.
Don't take all day.
Oh, we're going right into the Thor fight. Okay. Here we go. Gamer chair up.
Time. I've been waiting for this. You're not from here. We got a tradition called blood payments. It means I get a piece of you for what you took from my family. You'll pick it up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, here we go.
That was for Baldur. Now show me this god killer I've heard so much about.
Oh my god.
You insult me holding back like this. I did not seek that fight with your brother. I don't care.
Oh, he's so fast. He's so fast.
How were you ever a god of war?
Oh my god, he's so hard to dodge.
Holding back. Why? You're fucking hopeless. You spit on my son's memory. I can't believe they lost to you.
Whoa. He is strong as hell.
Can't fight without your axe, coward.
Where's my axe? Come on. Come on, Kratos. Come on, buddy.
You know my past. The ghost of Sparta thing. Yeah.
Come on, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Come on. Oh my god.
Now we gotta fight. What's this? Now we're talking. That's all? You were finally shown.
Oh shit.
Was hoping to see your blade. Guess they don't come this far.
Alright, come on.
You should be better than this.
I'm trying, pal.
Stop holding back. Let me see the monster inside.
Oh my god.
That's for Magni. Sorry about your statue, Tyr, you preachy old stiff.
Bam.
You're not fighting, right?
Oh my.
Struck first. Good. This is the god that murdered a pantheon because they hurt his feelings.
Okay, I need heals.
No way
they sure did, pal.
Who you are. Look at you, trying to remember your old move.
What the?
Was it luck? Did my son die to blind fucking luck? Dumbass! You think you can come here, become a daddy, get a clean slate? That ain't how it works. You're a destroyer, like me.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the f-
Oh no. I say when we're...
Oh yeah, that. Oh my god.
I'm not leaving till I see the real you. Get up!
Okay.
This is the man who faced down µésßᵘᵉ, the Valkyrie Queen.
Oh man.
This is the foreign god that bests the boulder.
Yes. Yes it is.
Great, get your hands dirty.
Alright, come on, we got this. Come on, buddy.
This is your Modi! You put him last, even in death. The fuck you say? Modi sought us in fear of you. He died of the wounds you gave him. Oh, we got a model follower here. This feels familiar. What? Don't matter.
Oh my god.
I can give a hot shit about your fatherly advice. I want to see the god of war. You started this. I will end it. Where's the love of the fight?
Oh my god.
Let the god of war out! Let me see him!
Spartan Rage. Give me that Spartan Rage.
Clever one beat me.
Oh my god.
You will join your son. Who are you? Show me! Show me the killer of God!
Come on, come on. I dodged that, man. Shield's broken. No.
I see why my sons fell to you. Even
Oh my god.
lesser version of you. But I am not my sons. And your boy, Allfather, have plans for him. There he is. There's the god of war. Consider your blood debt paid. Be seeing you.
Told you he'd make it.
Kratos, it's Sindri and Brock. That was quite a fight. Can we...
Oh, now! Odin is with Atreus.
Oh, no. I'll go get a gateway ready.
Come on, then. Ain't no long walk.
Jesus Christ, man. That was tough. Alright. I think that's a good place to... I think that's a good spot to end. I did not think we'd be getting into a Thor fight that quickly, so... Thank you guys. Wow, that is so cool looking. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. See ya!